handsome. Yes, you're so handsome. Don't even. You know you're not supposed to jump on me. Yeah. Oh, Dylan. Rub my butt. Rub my butt. Gracie May. No. Dylan's gonna itch his butt on your head. Oh, Dylan. Josie.
This one doesn't seem like a very much.
Buckaroo, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, yes, yes. Oh, my goodness. Oh. Hey. Excuse me. Goodness. Where have our manners gone today? Cinnamon. Come here. Cinnamon. Sophie's fine. She's fine. Good girl. I know. What? I see you, Poop. I see you. Otis! Oh, you feel good. Hey. None of that. But let them play. Otis! That's my buddy! Oh my goodness. Yes, Dylan. Josie. Oh my goodness. Oh yes, Dylan. I know, Dylan. Whoa! It's a stampede! Cooper! Stop! What's the matter? Oh, there it is. Poop. What are you doing, Bailey? Who's that? Hello, Katie. What are you doing? Rusty. Good boy. It's a good boy. Coop, you're good. Don't look at me like that. Gracie, what are you doing? Aw. Hello. How are you? How are you? There's my big girl. No. I don't listen to that. No. Oh. Really, Gracie May. No mouthing. You know better. Gracie. You know better. No nibbling. Don't nibble. Otis. Hello, Otis. The bulldog room today, huh? Hi, buddy. You're so handsome. Yeah, you're so handsome. You think so, do ya? Give it.
Shut in. They were all just admiring the tuft of hair that was down there a minute ago.
Cooper decided to steal it. Oh. Yummy. What, Coco? What, Coco Pop? Huh? How's my Coco? How are you, sweetie? How are you, sweetie? Let's see. How many puppies can we fit on that thing? Huh? Cinnamon, why are you not antagonizing Sophie? Huh? Why? Come on, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on. Oh, excuse me. Katie. Katie. Ruby. I know Josie's a handsome boy, but we don't need that. God, you might as well have treasure in there.